presenting the first IoT-enabled smart ceiling fan, Audi Smart Fan from the house of Luminous. Smart fan for a smart life. It is among those few fans available in the market which can be controlled by remote or mobile app or through voice user interface like Alexa. This Luminous box comprises of multiple smaller boxes containing fan motor, fan blades and other accessories. And finally, the Smart Fan Intelligent Controller, which is the smart portion of the smart fan, along with a remote controller in the box. The assembly and installation of the fan is so simple that even your neighborhood electrician can install it. Follow your standard normal fan installation process. Only stop before the last step, where you are about to slide the upper canopy to the ceiling. This intelligent controller fan will be fitted above the top canopy on the down rod. It has two sets of 2 wires each. One is a set of red and black wires and the other is a set of blue and black wires. The red-black set of wires designated as input is to be connected to the mains, and blue-black set designated as output is to be connected to the fan motor. Unscrew the down rod clamp of the device with a screwdriver and eject the slide cover. Now install the intelligent controller on the down rod in this way. Make sure the positioning of the LED sensor on the device positioning is towards your living area. This is important because when you press any button on the remote, the LED sensor needs to be in direct line of visibility. Install lower clamp and fix the screws. Make sure you lightly tighten the screw so that the intelligent controller can freely move up and down on the down rod without falling. Connect the intelligent controller with fan and mains wires according to color codes and cover with tape. Connect the set of red and black wires to the input mains. Connect the set of blue and black wires to the fan motor. After connecting the wires, insert the slide cover and bring it into the lock position. Raise the top canopy. Test the fan by turning it on and off from the remote. Sign in by downloading the Luminous Smart Life app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. The process is simple, similar to signing in for any other app. Remember your username and password properly. Enter the OTP that you receive. Give a name to the house icon showing on the screen. The app will ask for some permission. Provide the same. 2 tabs will appear on the screen: Smart Device or Smart Switch. Choose the Smart Device tab. Now select the Add Smart Device option. Select Smart Fan from the list of options. A list appears on the screen with some key pointers. Kindly go through it and then click on Proceed. Now wait for the AP mode configuration message to appear. Now in your phone setting, select Wi-Fi setting. From the list of options, select the Wi-Fi starting with LUM_fan_Mac. Select Proceed in the Luminous Smart Life app. A new screen will appear. Select the Wi-Fi name which is in your home or office and enter the right Wi-Fi password. Now the Luminous Smart Life app will send some important information to the cloud through the intelligent controller. This configuration step might take a few seconds. After configuration, you can name the device as per your convenience. Once the process is complete, the Smart Fan will appear on Luminous Smart Life app. In the Smart Fan tile, the changing of the internet connectivity icon to blue color is an indication of successful installation. Now you can operate the fan through the app. Now let's learn how to connect Luminous Smart Fan with Alexa app. Download the Amazon Alexa app from Play Store or App Store and launch it in your mobile phone. At the bottom part of the Alexa app screen, select the Devices tab. Now click on your Smart Home Skills option. Click on Enable Smart Home Skills button on the app screen. Click on the magnifying lens button on the screen and search for Luminous Smart Life. Select the right option once list appears on the screen. Now select the Enable to Use option on the screen. The next screen is Login page. In this, log in by entering the details of the username and password of the Luminous Smart Life app account. This is required to sync your smart fan with Alexa account. In a few moments, you will get a confirmation message of the linking of your Alexa and Luminous Smart Life app. Press the Close button. You will be redirected to the Luminous Smart Life option in the Alexa app. In this, select the Settings button and then select the option Discover Devices. After about 45 seconds, select the Device tab again. You will see Luminous Smart Fan in all devices list. Now you can also use the voice command to control the fan. Alexa, turn on the Luminous Smart Fan. If for some reason you have changed your Wi-Fi name or password or both, then you will have to reconnect the intelligent controller with the new Wi-Fi credentials. This process comprises of two parts. First part is to get the device into Wi-Fi connection seeking mode, and second is to connect the device with the Wi-Fi network. Let's look at step 1. In this step, we will trigger the device into Wi-Fi seeking mode. This is very simple. Use your fan remote and point it towards the LED sensor of the intelligent controller. Long press the blue button for 5 seconds by pointing at the sensor. The green LED on your device sensor will start blinking. This indicates that intelligent controller is now ready to connect to a Wi-Fi network. The process involved in the second step is exactly the same as the one we executed during first time configuration with Wi-Fi connection. Go to Add Smart Device on the home screen of Luminous Smart Life app. Click on Smart Fan from the list of devices. Follow the steps as directed previously. For more information, visit www.luminousindia.com or call at 1-800-103-3039. To connect with us on WhatsApp, type Hi and send it to 7042-833-939. Please do like the video and subscribe our channel. And to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon. Luminous, खुशियों का घर.